and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips so you can't find your Bluetooth accessory on the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. So, when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I'm installing from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and volume down. Then tap on the restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. On the start, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode. How to activate pair mode, you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for the devices, but it's still not for your phone. Open the settings, choose the general management, and tap on the reset at the bottom of the screen. Choose the network settings, tap on this button, configure the pattern, and tap on this button again. In the next step, try to update your system, so go back to the settings, choose the software update, and tap on the download and install. If you have any, of course, download and install it. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on another Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.